The hair is not looking cute today, but whatever. Hello people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because following the trend of the first time ever, it's going to be a first impression video. As many of you, my followers, have seen my previous video in which I shared about a huge haul that I did from Nykaa.com, and I bought a bunch of stuff and I said I was going to review some of those. Today I will be reviewing one of the product, which is the Brow Bro. Brow Bro is handmade in India by the brand called Indulgeo Essentials. I got this at Nykaa.com. It is around 900 rupees. It comes in this really cute pink box, and I did open it in my haul video. So Brow Bro is like the trend that's happening with brows. It's called the soapy brows, where you use soap, basically create this really dramatic wide looking brows. In a recent Vogue YouTube video where Madison Beer does her makeup and stuff, she does the soap brows thing, and it looked really nice, and like, I don't know, I was really inspired by that. So I was like, hey, let's try the soap brow trend. How to use. So you're supposed to spritz your favorite Indulgeo Witch Hazel Mist, which I don't have, directly onto the brow bro. So I'm gonna use my face mist that I already have and hope that it works. And then you use the spoolie to gather and apply to coat your eyebrow hair. And then you wait for a minute and then style with the same spoolie and finish by removing the excess product with your finger or press them at the right position for lasting groomed brows. Disclaimer, I have never plucked or like shaped or groomed, like trimmed my brows before. This has been like my brows forever, and I don't know how that will affect the soap brow or whatever, but let's try this. It is very hard like soap, and that is very interesting. I'll just put the spoolie in, and this is what Madison Beer does. I mean, I would prefer it if this was like bent, so crossing my fingers and hope that it works. I mean, I think I should chop my brows a little bit. It is looking crazy, guys. Okay, that is crazy looking. Let me dial it down. Let's try this side and try the other side. I mean, it is looking wild compared to this one. Do you like this? It does look like, I mean, I think my brows are not thick enough. This one feels like it is waxed down. You can go back and restyle it. It does feel like it will stay like this. There's like a tiny bald spot, which I absolutely hate. I like it on this side more than this one. It's just looking really wonky. I forgot to tell you about the ingredients. It has coconut oil, castor oil, lavender essential oil, that's why it smells so good, fenugreek essential oil, and cedarwood essential oil. I think I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. I think it would look nicer with people who actually groom their brows and have thicker or fuller brows. So when you try to do the wild brows thing, it would not look like really messed up like this one. It has castor oil and whatnot. I'm hoping that it is really good for my brows. It could last for a long time, although I'm not sure. if you are really curious to try this, and if you have nice full brows and you don't want to use like a makeup product, then I think you will really like this. It does give you drama, and I'm hoping good hold throughout the day. If you have 900 rupees to spare on a brow product that might help your brows grow better and give you this wide looking finish, then Indulgeo Essential is the only brand that came up with a brow product like the soap brow thing.
One eternity later.
I'm in the process of almost finishing editing of this first impression of Brow Pro, and I wanted to add some things like I did go ahead and bend the spoolie, so it definitely works better if you bend it yourself. My first impression was I was on the fence, I was doubtful, but now I am like, I really like this. It stays like this for a long time. It does good things for your brows. That is it for today, and I'll see you in my next video.